Hey there folks, Jaybird here with another lawn video. Today I'm looking at this one section of lawn. It's just right in the circle driveway. It's sort of a U shape. We have this monkey grass. The monkey grass has a few issues. So one of the issues is the weeds. You can see this goes all the way around the driveway, and it's full of weeds. So the weeds are like this, which is Bermuda grass. We've seen some goose grass. It looks ugly. The other problem is this. So that's like brown spot, if you will. It's got a lot of brown spotting on the leaves. So here's a leaf. It's a good example, but this is all over it. It's got the red brown spotting. So according to the research Molly has done, my wife, it's called anthracnose or something like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop it down. We're going to use the lawnmower. I have a Toro Super Recycler mower here, and you can see I have the bag attachment on it. And so this is an old mower, but it works okay. I have it set to the highest setting, and I'm going to run over this monkey grass and get rid of all the top layer. This way, when we put chemicals on it, it can get down to the dirt level, get down into it. The other reason for using the bagger is because this is basically a fungus, and if those clippings get down in there, it can just keep infecting the plant. So the idea here is to trim it really low, 1 inch or 2 inches. So you can see on the left side here, I've gone over it with the mower, and this is what's on the right side is the difference. So it's quite a difference. That's my terrific Tom neighbor in the back cutting down a tree with the chainsaw. So I think you can see that's quite a difference, cut versus not cut. So again, this is a fungus. So we have a fungicide. This is called Infuse Bonide Systematic Disease Control. Systematic fungicide for turf and ornamentals. So this is a hose and sprayer. Put the hose in here and just spray it out. It's called Infuse. Another option we found is this Fertilome. This is a triple action plus insecticide, fungicide, miticide. So we might go some of this as well. There's probably some bugs in here. Fertilome is a well-known brand. The other thing I'm going to do is spray another treatment of prodiamine, especially right in this crack between the liriope, the monkey grass, and the timbers. I'm also going to spray this whole area with prodiamine, all the grass. So I put out some Scott's crabgrass preventer before, but I have some more prodiamine. It's about that time of year where we need some. You can see it's in pretty bad shape, this part of the lawn, but still going to put it out. that's it for this video, folks. Thanks for watching. We will check back in a few weeks and see how it's doing. See if the grass comes up okay and see if we have any more fungus. See you next time. Liriope, monkey grass, liriope, something like that. Liriope. That's what you call this stuff.